Hello everyone, my name is Somhalenthai. Today I am going to share how to make grilled cheese sandwich. Anyway, we should to prepare material before cooking step. Ingredients included by butter, cheese, sliced bread. Now, let's go to make grilled cheese sandwich. First, spread softened butter on one side of the bread. Next, preheat a pan over low heat. After that, put the bread without butter side out. And then put cheddar cheese on the butter side. Turn the bread onto another one. Drop heat slightly. Letting the bread look brown and the cheese is slightly melt. My grilled sandwich cheese is here. Cut on the half side in order to eat easily. Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy this video. Bye bye!